Today in this video we are talking about string concatenation or combine two strings together. So let's do this. So here we go. Just go, for example, it's equal to hello world. I've been using a lot of this hello world, but I hope you understand the concept. So now we can go I am new to Python. So if you want to go and go print, so obviously if you want to print this one, you can't just go A or B, because it will, so when you try to combine two of the strings, so you have to go with the plus operator. So the plus operator is important here, you have to use that. So if you try to go this way, you see it will give us an error. Let's do that. Oh, okay, it does work that way as well. Plus, mostly we use plus. Plus, in upcoming new videos, you will see that we have to use that way as well. Or if you want to go, you can just use this way: c equal to a plus b. Then you just print here new variable c, and you can see it comes again hello world. So here we have a little space. Oh, here is a little space actually. So here now you can see now if we have two, string A is hello world and we have string B I am new to Python. So if you want to make a little a gap in the middle, you want C, then you have to go like this. Let's go two of them, put a little gap in here, and then you just put in the plus sign, and now you can see here we got a little space in the middle. Hope you understand. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.